All right, I'm about to make the dark Italian espresso cookie dough iced coffee. So I just grinded some beans, and that is on drip coffee right now. Start with a little bit of heavy whipping cream. Just about a tablespoon. About 2 tablespoons of this. Maybe 3 if you're a creamer person. I've got my ice cup. This is cane sugar. Just need half a tablespoon of that. And I like to go ahead and stir that together. Okay. See, so I got about 2 ounces there. We will go ahead and pour the coffee in the iced cup. Go ahead and grab your creamer. Give it a little stir. I'm going to use just regular whipped cream, that's all I have. And a biscotti. And I'll take this one and I'll crush it up. And there, you've got a biscotti iced coffee.